Um, the good thing is to surround yourself with people or mentors that can give you some account or hold you accountable to your actions to make sure that you're doing the things that you need to do to make it successful. Now, you can find these anywhere, obviously online. There's loads of gurus out there that probably give you some sort of mentorship or business coaching, things like that. So yeah, they're definitely out there. Or it could just be a friend that's interested in doing something similar, and you can just hold each other accountable, or a family member. It's completely completely up to you which way you go with that. But first of all, you really need to understand these company structures, because depending on how much you're going to earn in the business would depend on what sort of company structure you would have. So you've got things like sole trader, which is kind of similar to just being employed in a way. You're still going to get hammered by tax if you earn a lot of money, um, and there's no real way of protecting your profits in that sort of instance, as far as I'm aware of. I might be wrong, but as far as I'm aware of, sole trader is like having a job basically, and you have to adhere to the standard tax rules that you would have if you were employed, and everything is taxable as well at that point, obviously outside of your annual allowance. Limited companies are better because you can house the profits within a business. You don't have to take them straight away. You can issue shares. If you've got partnerships, you've got different share allocations, so everybody's entitled to dividends. Um, and also you can reinvest money as well, so you can pay the tax on the corporation tax side, and then you can actually reinvest that money into other things as well. So um, that's probably, I would say limited companies are the best way, especially if you get VAT registered and you can claim the VAT back on the spends. Always good. And then there's another way you can go holding company, then a business underneath that, and that protects profits as well. So you can move profits between other businesses within the holding company or the group of companies. Again, you need to learn about these things, because setting up right from the start is going to benefit you down the road. So it depends on the conviction you've got for your business. If you think, right, this business has definitely got the potential to make seven figures, you definitely want to be looking at holding companies, because you will eventually think, well, I'll set up a property business, I'll set up an investment company, and you want to move profits out of your cash flowing business into an investment business so that you can actually allocate that capital to grow in other things like property.